Y'all ready to go camping?
Yeah.
What's y'all's favorite part about camping?
We make a swim. Yeah, swimming. I like it.
Swimming's your favorite part?
The start. And making s'mores. And making snores.
Snores?
Do you like sleeping? No. Plus, we get to be outdoors. No, like the same thing.
And no phone service?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah. Whoop, whoop. Y'all don't even have phone.
He's like, ah.
You can see yourself, you know?
Yeah, I can see myself.
Alright, next stop, Teleco. Or actually, Indian Boundary. The viewers are trying to drink. Let me get a sip. Not of yours. Cameras, buddy.
Oh, so you, wait.
But I can also charge this. Yeah. Ready to just play it in? We're here.
Yeah. Yeah, we're here. You can charge the battery. This took us a while, so if you like and subscribe, this will make it better. Great! If you want to give it a thumbs up, you can subscribe. This is gonna be fun.
I like this waterfall. Yeah? Oh, it does feel cold down here. Alright, here we go. Skip a rock perfectly. Hey, I caught that in 4K. Here's the hamburgers. The hot dogs are in the back.
Get them out.
Hamburgers. How was dinner?
It was okay.
What do we have?
Your favorite hot dogs?
And hamburgers.
My dog didn't like the hamburger.
Hey, what'd you think? What'd you think of the hamburgers? Did you eat it?
He showed you. Like, no, it's still there.
In the dark. Fishing in the dark.
How many fish have you caught? How many fish you catch?
0, but you caught one.
What did I catch?
A catfish.
Reel in your rod a little bit, because you want to keep your line tight. There, not too much, just enough to keep it taut. Good morning.
Good morning. You just caught that AFK.
AFK.
Wait, that's what you said.
4K.
Oh. 6.
Can we get it? Okay. How was breakfast?
It was okay.
Good, and right now we're washing dishes.
ATM good for camper, not our current setup.
I think it's great. Hey. Do you like breakfast?
Yes.
This is the best way to protect your fire when it's raining.
It touched your hand.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, I did. I saw it.
Replay the clip. Just let go. Thank you. I win.
We are eating goober.
Y'all wanted to do a food review.
Yay!
With goober. So that's what we're doing.
Let's do it. And then 2 of us are doing it toasted.
Try it and tell me what you think.
Give it a review. I like it.
Let's have them go try it. Take one and pass it down. All right, y'all try it. Toasted goober sandwich.
Ooh, it's hot. Now let's see what they think. I gotta get deeper into this. It definitely smells weird.
Nope. What y'all's rating on it?
My rating was a 7 solid. No, I made me another one. I'll say like a 7.5.
State your name and how many fish you've caught.
0, and I'm Ethan. I caught 0 out of 1. My name is Grace and I caught 0, sadly.
My name is Daniel and I have caught 2. A catfish and a bluegill.
My fishing rod.
What the world?
My fishing rod. I still am interested in Daddy. And Daddy.
Last fishing trip of the camping trip. Did you catch anything? He did. Did you catch anything?
Absolutely not.
What about you?
You did.
I know. I caught. How many did I catch?
5.
I caught 5. Back to camp for a big old feast.
Got him. The Batman on the road.
So what was your favorite part of this camping trip?
I can't really say.
Did it suck? Did you hate all of it?
I liked some of it.
What was your favorite part so far?
Maybe fishing.
Fishing? Anyway, what was your favorite part about the camping trip?
Probably riding my bike.
Hey, I'm drinking a soda. Shh, don't tell anybody. Haven't drank sodas in a while. Anyway, see you back for dinner.
It's like that's warm. It's warm.
You take your shoes off.
I don't want to be too far away. Not too far away. Well, over there. No. You could easily get these.
One day. One day.
One day you'll get it. Touch it. Oh, look. Oh, looky.
Here comes Cookie. Cook pets control.
And he'll be back up. Mystery box. That, what's that Pepsi? Was it like Pepsi, y'all said?
Huh?
What was that? Other than bankruptcy? Yeah, bankruptcy. That's what I was thinking of.
So now I'm back down to 0. Alright guys, we're leaving. Did you spill your drink? Spilling drinks on each other. What's everybody's favorite part of the trip?
My favorite part was the rocks.
Well, tell them about it. What happened with the rocks?
You just looked at it.
Who had the best rock?
Me. My favorite part was fishing, even though I didn't catch anything.
Why was it your favorite part?
Because we got to see tons of fish, pregnant fish. This is a tie between s'mores and playing jackpot while swimming. Bye. This was fun. Bye.